Look, there is a squirrel. He is eating the bread, looks so happy. He is coming to the ground, looking for more food. It is already night, and wow, look who is coming to the garden. There is a fox. He is wandering around, looking for some food. During days, birds are coming. There are crows and other birds. They also like some food. Some cats also stop by. They also look for yummy food. Another fox comes during the day. So lovely. My garden is so lovely that animals like to come.